Guys, this outfit stands out with its effortless blend of elegance and everyday comfort. The fabric feels exceptionally soft and smooth from the first touch. Its lightweight feel makes it comfortable for hours without any hassle. The overall design is clean, refined, and beautifully balanced. Friends, that's exactly what gives it such a timeless appeal. The fit feels relaxed while still looking polished and stylish. Every detail appears carefully considered and expertly finished. The stitching is neat and adds to the premium impression. The material has a quality texture that feels both durable and comfortable. It moves naturally with the body throughout the day. The silhouette is flattering without feeling overly fitted. Nothing looks excessive or out of place. The design focuses on classic style rather than short-term trends. Friends, that makes it a reliable choice year after year. The fabric drapes beautifully and enhances the overall appearance. It allows easy movement while maintaining an elegant shape. The construction feels dependable and well-made. The quality is noticeable in every aspect of the outfit. Each element contributes to a polished and sophisticated look. The outfit feels practical without losing its stylish edge. The overall presentation is confident, mature, and refined. It creates a look that feels effortlessly put together. Friends, comfort and elegance are perfectly balanced here. The finishing details add a subtle touch of luxury. This is the kind of piece that works for a wide range of occasions. Guys, it delivers an impressive combination